of you. My name is Vishnu Srivastava. I'm from Kanpur Brand School. I'm the student of class 8. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy International Bread Day. As we know, we all gathered here for debate competition, and our topic is which type of democracy is better for public at large, parliamentary or presidential. So, I am in the favor of presidential type of democracy is better for public at large. Now let's see. In the presidential form of government, the head of the government and the head of the same person, and he leads an executive branch which is separate from the legislative branch. The executive is often known as president. Countries that have a presidential form of government are USA, Afghanistan, Brazil, Maldives, and Nigeria. In the presidential system, the head of the government is the chief executive who is directly elected by the people, and the executive is not responsible to the legislature. Both the organs are separate, unlike in the parliamentary system where the executive is responsible to the legislature. All the organs of the government, that is legislature, executive and judiciary, function separately from each other and are constitutionally dependent. The head of the government is the president, who is responsible for enforcing the laws. This system is founded by America and is a perfect example of this system. This system rejects legislative supremacy and designed for countries that are a full republic and not a constitutional monarchy. Elections are held more frequently in the presidential form of government, every 2 years for the legislature and 4 years for the president. Now let's see, the presidential form of government is better one. So, according to me, presidential type of democracy is better for public at large than parliamentary type of democracy. Now, I want to clarify my topic through some important points. Now, first point is the presidential form of government avoids the misuse of power, and thus the country can be run in a better way. It's a stable form of government is free from political evils such as corruption, etc. President has the supreme power, and there is no distribution of power. More the distribution of power, more the misuse of it. Now, second point is the decisions are made quickly in the present form of government, as the president doesn't have to consult with 2 members of people. It's a one-man government. The late decision making is a major setback for the parliamentary form of government. Decisions made on war policies, etc. are made quickly in the present form of government. Now, last point is in presidential form of a system, the executive is free from the evils of past influence in his daily administration. He doesn't elect political party in legislature. This allows him to carry responsibilities without any obstacles. Now, I conclude my topic. Every system, whether it is presidential or parliamentary, has its own pros and cons. Yes, the presidential government is better than parliamentary government because there is all control on whole country, one single person. He is responsible for anything happen in country, therefore he always try to develop our country. There is less chances to corruption. We take an example of Obama. Obama constructed a plan for destroy the legislature. There is parliament, this operation is not possible. Governments for the people, by the people and of the people. We have been taught this in the school. People have an equal say in the government decisions. If any of the members misuse the power, people should have the right to question it. Adopting the presidential form of government takes the right away from the people. Democracy has to be protected in a country like India. Democracy is what peace stands for. Thanks for listening to me.